it's a nice big room. Wow. Big bed, big twin bed. I mean, there's only me, so plenty of room. Balcony, we'll go out there in a minute. Big TV on the wall there. There's an air conditioning unit, and looks like I've got a remote control as well, which is brilliant. Remote control for the TV. What's this? Ah, this is the wardrobe. Looks like there's some more blankets there. Got a safe at the bottom. That's pretty cool. Looks like you can put your own combination on it as well. Brilliant. I guess this is the bathroom. Oh, let's put some lights on in here. That's better. Sink there. We've got some soap, some glasses. There's a hairdryer. Nice big mirror. Yo. Got some towels hung up there. Got a nice shower there. And we've also got a bathtub, which is good. I haven't had a bathtub for a while in a hotel. It's usually just a shower cubicle, so that's quite good. So we've got some shower gel as well. And obviously the throne. And we've got a bidet as well. Brilliant. Right, let's have a look at the balcony outside. Got 2 chairs and a table there. I guess that's to do with the air conditioning. Yeah, so overall this room's really good. I like it. Oh, I just had a good meal as well. And a good few beers. The beer's very good, by the way. So yeah, what's not to love?